Hello, long time no see. I'm finally here. Season 2026 is approaching, and I thought I make a small update video what I have done and what I will be doing this season. I know I haven't pushed a lot of videos to YouTube lately, but there is a reason behind it. But let's make a small recap first, what I have been doing for the whole winter. As you know, last season end, I worked as a hotel guide and running around the island, meeting people, visiting every hotel possible. And then it was unemployment time. The unemployment process is quite interesting. You will apply, then you wait for your bank card to arrive. And the whole process for me took about 2 months to get my first unemployment benefits. So good thing is that I had some money saved, otherwise I would have starved. But yeah, since then I have been looking for a remote job, and today I can say that the job market is a total scam nowadays, because you apply, then in 2 weeks you get the interview, then you pass the interview, then you have a bunch of tests, you have to spend like hours on it, then you have a second interview, you pass that also. And before the last meeting, 2 days before the last meeting, when you're supposed to have a contract, they send the email that sorry, but company decided not to look for this position anymore. So you spent whole month trying to impress the company to get the job and everything else. And that was the point where I decided that I can't rely on anyone else. I have to make my own destiny. And then I started. I agreed with myself that this year I will give maximum. As you have seen, last 3 years I have been hustling to make a name for myself and try to get some income somehow. And I decided that this year I will give everything I have. So since November I have been like working for myself all the time. This means I have daily schedule and it's all the same every day. I usually go to sleep 5 a.m. in the morning, wake up 10 a.m. and start working again. And I'm working on my website at the moment. Like I'm writing 12 to 14 hours to my website. I made it like I deleted everything I had. I started from scratch. And today I have around 200 pages and over 1 million words written to my website. And my plan is to overtake Rhodos tourism market in terms of Google search. So I was studying how to do that, about SEO and everything else. And since then I've been working hard to answer every question people may have when they come to Rhodos. Also, I made a travel guide. If you don't know, I put together all my info in one like 55 pages PDF file where you can find where to get the best hotels that I recommend, also boat trips, where to go, what to see, how your days can look like. So This is one of my new products that I try to like promote this season. But my main focus is building a Rhodes information travel site and overtake all the big names in 1 to 2 years. So hopefully at the end of this season I have around 1,000 pages written and answering every question. So if you Google something about Rhodes, then you will see my website pop up. So if you're coming to Rhodes, go check it out. I also wanted to say that this video will be uploaded only for 48 hours. So I tell everything I want to say and then it's unlisted. So yeah, since I started building my website, also official travel guides association wanted to take me down because sometimes I said that you don't really need a guide here, you can explore it yourself, and they didn't like it. My recommendation for them is to promote yourself better, not picking on others. But it is what it is. I fixed the web page, now it's like good with everyone. So yeah, but good news is that this season I got the job offer right here locally. So I will be working in an office, and it's the only company that agreed that I need a job where I can work 5 days a week, and I also have 2 days free, so I can build my own YouTube channel and also website and everything else. So yeah, this season you may see me in Kiotari and also some days in Pevco's office. I won't tell the name yet, but soon you will find out where I will be working. And this year is like a grind year. I work, I make YouTube videos, I also build a website, and finally everything starts to get together. The whole 3 years I have been doing. It all comes down to one big like ecosystem. I have YouTube videos that send people to website. I have website where people can get all the answers. Also I'm posting one reel or post every day to social media. So I have like quite tight daily schedule what I have to do or what I want to do, and I tick the check marks if I did that. So it's a lot of discipline, a lot of learning this season. And as my channel is like 50% of people who come here first time and 50% of people who have visited Rhodes at least 1 time, 5 times, 10 times. So for me, it's always a struggle which videos I make, because I want to make videos that benefits both of my audiences. But this year I decided about 70% of videos will be for first timers, like if you stay in Rhodes town, what you can expect, should you choose Pevcos or Lindos, and so on. So 70% of my videos will be like for first or second timers, and I try not to forget people who love this island so much. So I have something to show them also. And yeah, one of my big goals this year is to try to save some money to have a drone, because I'm missing out a lot at the moment because I can't make any IRL shots. But I will get there, and also I'm planning to buy some sort of car, because today is the final day of carnivals. I'm stuck here in Kiotari, can't really move around. But this year I hope I can find a car so I can go everywhere I want. So these are the two like big goals I have, plus website 1000 pages, informational, not just random text in the website. And tomorrow Lent, yes, I think it's called Lent starts. So this means it's like 90 days before Easter, and after Easter usually the season starts. And yeah, as you see, today is quite nice weather. But this winter we haven't had any luck with good weather. It has been raining all the time. And also, if you followed some of the social media channels, then you see that we had some heavy winds and also some vessels and boats sunk. So this year it has been crazy with storms, wind and rain. So today is the one of the decent days where you can come out and it's actually warm and no wind. But yeah, I didn't want to be that guy who goes outside when there is something negative to film, for example, when we had storms. Because you have to respect the nature. I can't feed my views or audience to get like more likes and subscribers based on negative information. So I don't want to be that person. Some Facebook accounts that I follow that should be a news accounts in Rhodos, I see they post every day shocking video or oh my god, this is so terrible. And they found that it works for them. They get lots of views, lots of new subscribers and followers. But I don't want to be remembered as a negative news anchor. These things happen every year. It's normal. But I rather show this island in a positive way. It doesn't mean I'm not honest about it. If I don't like something, I will not just comment it or just say what I think. But usually I try to promote like positive stuff, things I personally like, and why this island is so beautiful. If you want my honest opinion, then you can private message me and I can tell you what I think about this and that, but I will keep it like balanced. Because it's a small island, as you see, I started writing free travel guides and I already had a problem with Travel Guides Association. So it's a small island. You have to get along with everyone and just do your own thing. And don't go to like point fingers somewhere. So yeah, season is starting. I'm preparing myself to pump out some new videos. The next video that will come out is the whole island video, where I took all the clips I have about every place and I post one big video. The problem is with the new computer, I try to make 4K videos, so it is like in better quality. But the file size is so big that 2 videos and my monthly Wi-Fi data is already full and I can't do anything else. That's why I haven't posted many YouTube videos at the moment. I think I have to call Elon Musk maybe. he will send me a satellite so I can use more internet, because the normal internet here is limited and you can't like buy extra data if you need. You only have 300 gigabytes per month, so that's why I only uploaded one big video at the end of last month. But now soon, in few days, I will post the island video also, and after then I will making usual content, and this time focusing more on people who come here for the first time. I hope you are all doing well. I really appreciate people who send me some direct messages, sending some pictures about the snow they have and everything like that. It's quite fun to see. So yeah, thank you for watching, and soon we will see you in the next videos.